Ever wondered how to turn your users into brand evangelists? Let's dive into this transformative concept. Brand evangelists are not just users, they are your ardent supporters, championing your brand through their content. This user-generated content is a potent growth hacking strategy, fostering trust and authenticity. Imagine having an army of users actively promoting your brand, sharing reviews, testimonials, photos, videos, and stories. It's like having a marketing team that you don't have to pay for. Turning your users into brand evangelists is a powerful tool for business growth, but how can you make this happen? The first step is to encourage your users to create and share content about your product or service. This could be anything from reviews and testimonials to photos, videos, or even personal stories. You can stimulate this creativity by making the process seamless, fostering a sense of community, or providing inspiration. Remember, the goal is to turn your users into storytellers and your brand into an experience. But creating content is just part of the equation. How can you reward your users for their efforts? Rewarding your users for their content is crucial to turn them into brand evangelists. How can you do this? Well, it's about acknowledging their efforts, featuring their content, and even providing incentives. A simple shout-out can make a huge difference, making them feel valued and appreciated. Or consider offering discounts or exclusive access to new products. This not only rewards their loyalty, but also encourages further content creation. Remember, a valued user is a happy user, and a happy user is your best advocate. And finally, how can you amplify the reach and engagement of their content? Amplifying the reach and engagement of user-generated content is the final step to turn your users into brand evangelists. To amplify, share this content on your own channels, promote it through paid advertising, or incorporate it into your marketing materials. This strategy not only increases your reach and engagement, but also builds trust with potential customers, driving more conversions. Remember, your users are your best promoters. By encouraging, rewarding, and amplifying user-generated content, you can turn your users into powerful brand evangelists.